Yeah, I think that there are a number of big challenges in terms of market regulatory changes, but let me focus on two things. With no doubt, UCITS 5 and AIFMD will be bringing the dramatical change to the business. Obviously, it will change the structure of the liability of the global custodian, and ultimately, for the sub-custodians, the liability will be increased, and we will be liable for the loss of the assets in any case. So. This will be quite important driver for the changes of the business model, and together with the shrinking margins, it may have an impact on the market landscape, because only big providers with the big balance sheet and with the sub-custody services, which is a part of the much wider and comprehensive banking product proposition, can handle that. So this is one thing. The second thing is driven by the CSD regulations, and this is about the shorter settlement cycles, which will be T+2. With this cycle, it shall mean that for many providers, processing client settlement instructions from T+0 to T+1, including the pre-matching with the counterparts, including the sending the instruction to the CSD, and finally providing the liquidity provision at the ECB, will be a big challenge for many providers. I think that the UCITS 5 and then AIFMD will have the impact on this, and as I mentioned, this is related to the fact that the structure of the liability will be changed. The risk of doing business will be higher. From the global custodian perspective, I think that they will be looking not only for the sub-custodians with a proven operational integrity, with the deep level of knowledge and experience of the team and service ethos, but they also will be looking for the regional partnership or pan-regional partnership, which would give us the comfort to have the agent in the region. This is, and it will be even more, at the core of the due diligence of the sub-custodians. So things like unquestionable reputation, unquestionable credit, and strong financial will be this key. In principle, the concept of CSDs or ICSDs is good for the market, because they are setting up the linkages, they are opening the connection. So from the conceptual perspective, what they do is good. At the same time, we need to be careful whether not allowing CSDs to cross the certain line, because from our perspective, CSD should stay as the infrastructure rather than entering the sub-custody field.